Man, I am so bored. What should I do? I know. I will put the tornado up. Hor, hor, hor. But first, I need to press my computer for the activate. I'm going to set up the computer. After Waffle set up the computer. There, I'm done setting it up. Now, I'm going to living room to press the red button. Well, okay, there's the button. I'm ready to press the button. Alright, I'm going to press it. There. Now the tornado's coming in 10 more minutes. 10 minutes later. Oh, well, okay. We would like to get something from Build-A-Bear. What do you want? Uh-oh. Oh, no. I'm going to about to hear the tornado. We need it quick. And it's going to run at 1 minute later. 1 minute later. Oh no, it's coming, it's coming, it's going! Oh no, the tornado's coming. Well then, did we think that I solved? And Mom and Dad, yeah, Waffle. Where's Lopisty and Minecraft? I just put them back to bed. Because you heard the tornado with the red button. Okay, let's see what happened. And hello, your tornado's gone. And had it destroyed. And your fighter destroyed it. And so I'm sorry, all 6 of you. Oh my! Oh! Waffle, how dare you put the tornado on? I can't believe you did it. That's it. You are so grounded for 98347824968 years. Go to your room right now. And don't you dare even thinking about coming out of your room until your grounding time is over. Why?